Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix too many attempts on Prizepicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do is, if you are using Prizepicks from your PC or laptop, what you need to do is clear browser cache and cookies. Open your web browser and navigate to the settings or options menu. Look for the section related to clear browsing data, cache or cookies. Select the option to clear your browser's cache and cookies, and once the process is complete, try logging into Prizepicks again. The second method is reset your password. If you have attempted to log in multiple times, it might have triggered security measures. Look for the forget password or reset password option on the Prizepicks login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. The third method is update Prizepicks on your mobile app. If you're using it from your mobile app, then what you need to do is open up App Store on your iOS or Google Play Store on your Android. Search for Prizepicks and look for the update button. If it requires an update, simply tap on the update button to download and install the latest version. Once you do that, verify the updated version in the app settings or about section, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.